Okay, let's calibrate your robot. So if you got a robot package and the cable was disconnected from the base of the robot, you're going to need to calibrate your robot. So to do that, the first step we want to do is we want to go to our zero program. So if we go to our drop-down menu in the top left corner, and we're going to go down to zero. We're going to highlight it and hit OK. So now this is our zero program. We want to run this program, so we're going to go to the play tab. Let's turn our override up, and let's hold it until it goes to forward, and it runs the program. And now we are at our 0 point. So each joint has a set of arrows that are lined up. You want to check those first to make sure they're all lined up. That means that each joint is at its 0 point. So the next thing we want to do is we want to go to our menu again in the top left corner. We're going to expand the menu, so the icon on the bottom left corner. And we're going to go to System. Under System, we're going to click on Variables. So now let's minimize our play tab. Let's go to the bottom right icon to turn our keys on. So now we are in the traditional pendant mode. So now we need to go to Master Enable first. So that's item 493. It may be different for yours depending on which packages you have. So to get to 493, you're going to hit Item and type in 493 and enter, and it'll take you to Master Enable. Now, if yours isn't at 493, you can use your arrows to scroll up or down. If you want to go a page at a time, you're going to hold the Shift key and hit your up and down arrows, and you'll go a page at a time. So now that we're on Master Enable, we want to make sure that's turned on. So we're going to hit 1 and enter. And then the next variable we need to change is variable 312. So I'm going to hit item 312, enter. And this is DMR group. Again, your number may vary, but you're looking for this variable, DMR group. I'm going to hit enter and then enter again. We want to make sure that it says true, that the mastering is done. So the next step is we want to go to type. We want to go down to Master Cal, number 3. Click on Master Cal. We're going to go down to item 7, which is calibrate. We'll hit enter. It says calibrate. We're going to click yes. And now your robot is calibrated and ready to go. So now we want to get back into our editor screen. So we're going to click the bottom right icon to turn the keys off. We'll go to the top left-hand corner and click on our menu. We're going to minimize this menu with the icon on the very bottom left. We'll go to Teaching and select Program. We'll go to Editor. And now we're back at our editing screen, and we're ready to go from there. If you have any other questions, feel free to give us a call or check out our other library videos. Thanks.